Hello guys, welcome back. Here's your tech informant. If you're new here, you are also welcome. I do share tips and tutorials for content creators on this channel. So if you love watching content like this, please do subscribe to this channel. Many have asked me how they can increase or gain more income as the cost of living is going up and their income or revenue is not meeting up with their cost of living. So in this video, I'm going to share my candid advice to you and 5 legit ways you can make money on the internet if this is your situation. I always refer to a quote by Robert Coiler, and I will put it in my own words. What you are today is the result of your actions of previous years, and what you are doing today will determine what you'll be tomorrow. So if you want to be happy with your future self, you should start making decisions that will bring about the change you want and consistently work towards them. I have a friend who sought for my advice on his career some time ago, and I told him what to do, but the advice I gave to him wasn't pleasant to him, so he chose the easier path by joining paid employment while he had the opportunity to learn new skills. Don't get me wrong here, I'm never against paid employment. So I told him at his age, he was in his early 20s then, that he could invest in himself by learning basic skills in tech like computer programming and graphic design. But he gave me thousands of reasons why he couldn't do it at that time. So he secured a job that was paying him 50,000 naira every month. That was about $250 then, and it was comfortable. But fast forward 4 years later, his paycheck has only been increased once to 60,000 naira, and the current value of his salary is a little over $100 due to inflation. The last time we discussed about it, he was considering a job change. I made this video because I see many spending many hours online entertaining themselves and not considering that those mobile apps on their phone can make money for them or add value to their lives. I made a video on this channel where I shared how I made over $1,500 from a video that is not up to 5 minutes. And a friend that had been begging to start a YouTube channel about 2 years earlier came from nowhere and told me that he's ready for YouTube. Imagine if he had started then. By now, he too will be reporting his earnings. One of the biggest misconceptions about making money online is that many think it is easy as many gurus are portraying it. For example, to be candid with you, on YouTube, you can't start making money just because you uploaded one video or 20 videos. It doesn't work that way. The platform needs to understand and trust that you will be consistent with it, just like how any other employer would do. What I'm trying to say here is that all the major social media apps installed on your phone can improve your life, no matter what level you are at. All you need to do is to start somewhere, but don't expect instant returns. The first legit way you can start making money online is through managing other people's social media profile. That is being a social media manager. You don't necessarily need to wait for the big brands to patronize you before you become a social media manager. Look around, many small businesses, brands, upcoming artists are looking for trusted person they can delegate their social media activities to. Many businesses and brands are still coming into the social media space. They want their brands to be represented on the social media, and many of them don't know how to go about it. So the little knowledge you know about Facebook, Instagram, TikTok is all they need, and they are ready to pay you, probably not much, but you can start from somewhere. I know of a guy who started by managing the social media platform for a small business in his neighborhood. Though he was paid peanuts until a digital marketing agent stumbled at his work and was impressed, and the man hired him as a freelancer for his agency. Currently, this guy is earning over 150,000 naira every month from this agency as a side hustle. You won't believe that some are living right here in Nigeria and they are earning thousands of dollars every month by working for organizations outside the country. Let me use the friend I mentioned earlier as an example. If he is making the actual value of his salary in US dollars, that is $250, the current value of his salary will be 150,000 naira. That is 3 times the value of his salary without increment. So this is one of the benefits of working for foreign firms from your home country. Your earnings will always beat inflation. But before you can get a remote job or gig, you must be skilled at something that is in demand. I will talk about these skills later in this video. So at this moment, please take time to give this video a like. Some platforms where you can get remote gigs include Fiverr, Upwork, and for remote jobs, many opportunities await you on LinkedIn and websites like InSquad, Turing, and VanHack. If you want to go through the career path, you might need a university degree, but it is not compulsory. You can get familiar with trending technologies by learning them through online resources like YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn, and etc. Constantly practicing what you have learned or learning and get some certifications from big organizations like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and currently some of them are offering free courses and certification. Working on these will expose you to remote job opportunities that will pay you handsomely in hard currency, and I can show you that if you invest between 12 to 18 months for this purpose, you won't go wrong. Financial investment is good, and making money online through financial investments come with risks just like any other investment. And the truth is that the internet has made it easier to invest. You can be at the comfort of your home, and right there you can buy the shares of top international firms. You can start by investing a little and then grow from there. Some apps I have used and can recommend here are Rivest and Branch. If you have tried other apps that deliver well and are legit, you can share them in the comments. With some of these apps, you can invest in US dollars, but most of these investments may look lucrative in terms of returns, but carry substantial risks with them, so you need a lot of time to study them. Another legit way you can make money on the internet is through online business. So I have this relative that does local dropshipping. She makes a turnover of up to 2 million naira every month. That is about $4,000. That might sound little, but the interesting thing about her business is that her neighbor has a physical shop that sells the same wares. She's always at her shop from Monday to Saturdays and pays for the shop rent, transportation, and other expenses that relate to her business with her shop. But this neighbor barely makes up to half of what my relative earns. And my relative's strategy is this: she does her business on her phone and laptop. She promotes other people's products on Facebook and with Google Ads. And when customers order the product, she contacts a logistic company to pick up the product from her suppliers and deliver them to her online customers. So if you can understand the core strategies of digital marketing and can implement them very well, you will never go broke. The next legit way to make money on the internet is through creating digital assets. Most times when we hear about digital assets or products, we think it is only items like ebooks and online courses, but it's way more than that. Some are making millions through apps they have developed. Some upload photos and videos to sites like iStock Photos and Shutterstocks and are paid each time people use them. This is one of the best ways to build a passive income because you do less as your revenue flows into your bank account. So to get your digital assets rolling, you need to get the required skill set to create and package them into digital formats. In my next video, I will share with you how you can create an ebook for free. Here are some skills you should consider learning to start making money online: content writing, front-end web design, graphic design, photography and videography, photo and video editing, digital marketing, blogging, social media marketing, transcribing, and patience. Yes, you need patience. It's even one or is you should be at the top. You need patience because, just like I said earlier, you don't expect instant returns. This builds over time. So I will explain 2 or 3 of these quickly. Like for content writing can be classified as one of the best skills to learn to make money online. The great thing about content writing is that you don't have to do a dedicated course if you're already good at English. The demand for content writers is huge because every website, every social media page, Every sales description, sales pitch needs content. So the essence of writing good content is in doing good research. So if your research skill is on point, then you are good to go. Another skill I need to explain here is video editing. Video definitely is the most effective marketing and promotional tools for products and services. So we can also see that video editing is becoming the next big thing. Also, it is one of the easiest skills to learn online to make money. At present, video editing doesn't require huge expenses. All that is needed is a good computer to make professional videos. That is, if you have the right editing skills. The options of making money online are endless, and if you ask, where do you start? I will tell you to pick any of the suggested skills and start learning them. I'll be covering some of these here on this channel, so don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. And let me know in the comment section which area of making money online do you want to know more about. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.